Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na tatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kaya ang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and education bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksikliblig na guumapaw man balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Aries. Angel Spirit, guys, there's a Six of Pentacles. Wow! Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Wow! There's a give and receiving something by the universe. So, ibig sabihin dito, Aries, kumbaga baka maaaring makapagbayad ka na, no? Parang inaabutan or something. Para makakapagbayad ka na sa mga pinag-uutangan mo. And because there's a two of, because there's a partnership, no? Baka daragsa o dadami ang iyong customer or client. Or baka mayroon dito unconditional love. And of course, there's an high priestess, there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. May mga bagay dito na kumbaga maglilinaw sa'yo, no? Kumbaga makikilala mo at magpapakilanlan sa'yo kung sino to. And of course, there's a Ace of Pentacles. Wow! A big money or big opportunities coming in for you, no? Talagang makaka-recover ka na pagdating sa finances, pasabog. And because there's a Five of Swords, kumbaga there's a fair fight o sinasabi dito mag-ingat ka lang ha kasi baka magkaroon ng self-sabotage. Additional messages. And of course guys, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Mag-focus ka daw. So ibig sabihin being dedicated sa ginagawa mo, no? Kumbaga kailangan Google lang ng Google, walang hihinto, walang mapapagod, magpapahinga, oo. And because there is a Queen of Wands, there is a confidence. So kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na magtutuloy-tuloy na. Huwag ka naghahata kasi ng nega, no? The more na yung iniisip mo ay puro negative energy, negative yung mga magiging outcome, no? Walang papasok na swerte sa'yo. And because there is a Seven of Pentacles, there is a harvest time. So, at the same time, kumbaga, this is the moment na kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances at magkakaroon ka ng harvest time, no? Iwasan ang pagiging nega mo. Iwasan yung pagiging nega mo, ha? Kumbaga, minsan nagkakaroon ka ng toxic behavior. And of course, there is a Queen of Pentacles. There is a control pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, there's a stability and control. May knowledge siya pagdating sa paghawak ng pera. And because there is the Moon card, there is a dream coming true. And the Moon card is a revelations, no? Maraming mga bagay na marireveal ka dito. So, what is the Five of Swords? Let's see what is the Five of Swords. So, there is a Two of Pentacles. There is a balance. Kailangan balansihin mo yung sarili mo, no? Hindi ka dapat nagbibigay ng kahit anong information na alam mong privacy dapat, no? May private dapat. And because there is a Six of Cups, kumbaga, there is a past person or there is a friend, no? Either katrabaho mo to, no? Kumbaga, mag-iingat ka rin dyan sa katrabaho mo. So, what is the Six of Pentacles and of course, the Queen of Wands? So, there is a Queen of Cups. Magkakaroon ka ng healing pagdating sa finances. So, Aries ha, puro finances sinasabi dito. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ka ng kagipitan sa finances. Nabaong ka sa utang. So, this is the moment na kumbaga, it's time to take an action. So, it's time to release the negativity para ma-pull out mo. And of course, para mahatak mo yung mga positive energy. And of course, there is a Six of Wands. There is a victory and success. Magtatagumpay ka, no? What is the High Priestess and the Queen of Pentacles? What is the High Priestess in the Queen of Pentacles? There's a Two of Wands. There's a Two Paths. So, ibig sabihin dito, tingnan mo yung better side of the situation. Wag ka raw titingin sa bagay na alam mong maguguluhan ka. And of course, there's a Two of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a decision, no? Or there's an hidden enemies or something, hidden agenda. Kumbaga, maging aware ka, no? So, what is the Ace of Pentacles in the Moon card? And because there is a Six of Wands, so there is a victory and success. Four of Wands, sorry. There's a Four of Wands celebration, no? So, sinasabi dito na kumbaga yung pinangarap mo, no? Na makabangon at makaahon at magkaroon ng financial stability. So, this is the moment na maaaring mo na makamtan. So, some of you guys, uulitin ko, this is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. This is not out of private reading. So, this is a general. So, pangkalahatan to. Kung ano lang makuha mo, yun lamang po ang sayo. Kung hindi ka masagap ng ating energy, wag niyo pong i-assume na kayo po ang tinutukoy, ha? So, what is the Five of Swords? And of course, the Two of Pentacles. So, there is a Five of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin maging balansi ka. Baka tendency nito magkaroon ng self-sabotage. At the same time, there's a Five of Pentacles. Magkaroon ng financial loss. Kaya kailangan maging aware ka, no? Mamaya, makabangon ka, tapos biglang bagsak ulit. Kasi, may mali kang ginagawa sa eksena mo. So, mali ang paghawak ng finances or mali ang strategy or, kumbaga, way mo, no? So, let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. And of course, there is a King of Wands. So, sinasabi dito, there is a control. No? Kontrolin mo yung eksena. Hindi dapat ikaw ang kinokontrol ng katrabaho mo. No? Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka. No? Maaring, madalas inaaya ka kung saan-saan, kain sa ganito. Kaya, kumbaga, pinaghirapan mo na pupunta na sa kain. So, kailangan mag-isip ka. Kailangan mo mag-ipon, mag-invest, gano'n, no? Hindi mo kailangan mag-invest sa mga walang kabuluhan, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Justice card. A balance. So, wag kang mag-alala. Magkakaroon ka ng balance and control with the King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person and of course the Two of Swords. There's a decision, no? Kumbaga may taong susuporta sa'yo pero kailangan mo mag-desisyon. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa sila, no? Sino ang pipiliin mo? Char. So, may taong dalawang tao dito na involved sa'yo. Either asawa mo or jowa mo or something, kumbaga merong ang taong nanliligaw sa'yo, even na may asawa ka o even na may partner ka, no? Kaya kailangan magkaroon ka ng balance kasi may karma. Mag-ingat ka. And of course, there's a the Lovers. See, I told you, maaaring mayroon kang asawa o relasyon or partner or live-in partner or something, no? Mag-ingat. Sa puso, kailangan iisa lang. Hindi pwedeng dalawa, hindi pwedeng tatlo, no? Bawal lang may kahati. And of course, there is a camera, no? Kumbaga, learn from the past. Dapat matuto ka na from the past. And of course, there's a twin flame energy. There's a yin and yang oracle card. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaring balanse yung iyong relasyon. And of course, there's a passion. Kumbaga, having fun. So, let's see what is additional messages for yung yin and yang oracle card. And there's a higher power activation, no? Parang sinasabi dito, nag-activate mo sa spirituality mo. Maraming mga synchronicities or signs, maaring nagkakaroon ka na ng enlightenment or something kaliwanagan in all aspects. Pagdating sa finances, sa career, sa love life, etc. No? And because there is an assistance, no? Kumbaga, ginaguide ka ng ating mga gabay. Because there's a thoughts and isolation. See, I told you, iwasan mo yung pagiging nega. Kasi baka yun yung nagkukulong sa'yo, kaya hindi mo mapasok ang swerte. No? Iwasan ang nega. So, let's see what is additional messages. Kasi parang nakikita ko dito puro, bakit ganyan, ang ganda ng reading, bakit ganito, 'di ba? Tapos ang kamalasan naman sa akin kasi nga may mali kang ginagawa. 'Di ba? Hindi maayos ang sistema mo. ayusin mo para maging maayos yung buhay mo, ganun yun. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan mong i-let go, yung mga bad habits, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a lost land. So, some of you, soul memories and gifts. So, you are also a gifted, no? May mga bagay na pinapakita na sa'yo, may pasilip sa'yo, or maaaring nangyari na to mga nakaraang araw, no? Kumbaga, naka-recover ka na, tapos nangyari ulit yon kasi hindi ka natuto, no? And of course, there's a baby steps, there's an actions, no? Kailangan mo tignan yung mga actions mo. Follow your intuition and before it makes sense, no? So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And focus on the perfect health. So, pag sinasabi dito, mag-focus ka sa pagdating sa health mo, no? And of course, there's a sense of humor. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan sa likod na marami mong pinagdadaanan, marunong ka pa rin maging balanse, ngumiti at bumangon. At kailangan mo pa rin kumbaga, maging masaya kahit paano, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay, or marunong ka dapat mag-appreciate. And of course, there's your children are watch over by angels. Maaaring ginagabayan daw ang iyong mga anak ng ating mga gabay, ating anghel, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, keep moving on and keep moving forward. So, let's see what is additional Monsology. Expect the powerful change. So, ibig sabihin dito, mag-expect na ng mga bagay na makakapagbago, no? Or mag-iiba ang eksena. So, ibig sabihin dito, you're very close to achieve your goal. Baka pahalapit mo na para matupad at may sa katuparan yung mga pangarap mo. Let's see what is this energy. Repeat mo yung bal. Let's see what is the energy. Okay, there is a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. So, it means, sinasabi dito about sa health mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo talaga mag-pay attentions. And of course, there's a goddess of the moon. There is a lot of revelations. And of course, there's a lot of, kumbaga, information na ipapakita, no? With unexpected moment. So, let's see what is this additional messages. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a judgment. So, it means, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, huwag mo masyadong ginajudge yung sarili mo, no? May kanya-kanya tayong pinagdadaanan, may kanya-kanya tayong, kumbaga, pinanghuhugutan o pinanggagalingan. So, ibig sabihin, pagalingan na lang ng pagdala, no? No, kung ikaw ay nega, so, magiging nega yung magiging outcome. So, being optimistic dapat tayo. And of course, there is a sign card. So, there's a God energy. So, sinasabi dito, there's a pure positive energy na magiging positive outcome. Now, and of course, there's a waning moon. So, there's a self-inventory. So, some of you guys, sinasabi ko, di ba, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Di ba? At yun yung lagi mo pakakatandaan na, kumbaga, umiwas ka sa mga bagay na walang kabuluhan. And of course, there's a spirituality. Maging balanse ka, emotional and practical. And spiritual, no? So, what is the chakra? Renewal. Baguhin mo or magkaroon ka ng panibagong eksena. Some of you, there's a guilt, no? Maaaring inuuna mo yung galit or may galit o puot na mamayagpag sa'yo, no? Kailangan mo i-surrender yan. Of course, there's an enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a heart desire. So, ibig sabihin ko anong gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo. And of course, there's a teaching. May mga bagay na, or may mga way, no, na ipapakita at kumbaga ituturo sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an inner authority. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw yung magbibigay ng, kumbaga nasa likod mo lang ang ating gabay, no? Kumbaga sinusuportahan ka at ikaw yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalis ka sa sitwasyon mo, no? Kung ano yung gusto ng puso mo, yung gut feeling mo, sundin mo yon. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? If you have Jesus loving quote, if you have a faith as a great master of seed, you shall unto this mountain, remove hands to the other place, and shall be removed. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, kung ano man yung tinanim mo, siya nga anihin mo. Pero may mga bagay na kung saan ka nagtanim, no, kung ito'y hindi nagbubunga, o hindi lumalaki, it means, kumbaga, hindi makakabuti sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, inaalis ka dyan sa mga bagay na yan kasi hindi ka mag-grow at hindi magkakaroon na expansion. So, ibig sabihin, mali ang lugar na tinaniman mo or something na mali ang lugar na pinuntahan mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay or times tayo na, kumbaga, or tao, no, na inaalis sa buhay natin. So, let's see what is the angel's number. And because there's a 6, I am nurturing. So, sinasabi dito, your heart is your gift. You are naturally born, nurtured, and have a great talent for helping and healing others. You are the epitome of a sacrifice and protector for those you love. Ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa, kumbaga, matulungin, no, mabusilak talaga ang puso mo. Maaaring may binigay sa yung talent. And of course, ating Panginoon, no, maaaring there's a spiritual, no, maaaring may lessons or meron ka ditong dapat malaman. You are also a gifted, no? Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na dapat mong alamin kung paano mo pangakawakan o paano mo gagamitin yung gift na binigay sa'yo. Additional messages of life. Messages of life. And of course, together in the light. I give thanks for all who would enter my life. I understand that we are all exactly who and where are supposed to be, and everyone contributes to each other. Personal growth in every reaction someone draws for me is a gift from their soul to mine, meant to help me, free me from my inner conflicts today by focusing on my own development rather than to others. Plus, I become one of the divine. So, ibig sabihin dito, kasama ka sa magsisilbing liwanag, no? Sa lahat ng mga kadilimang kumbaga, pinagdaanan mo. No? May mga bagay lang talaga na, kumbaga, kailangan mong pagdaanan bago mo makita ang kaliwanagan at yung totoong kahalagahan ng bawat bagay. Di ba? Ganun naman talaga eh. Hindi mo makikita ang halaga ng isang bagay kung hindi nawawala. No? O hindi pa nawawala. So, yun lamang po. So, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. I hope, madam, nakatulong ako sa inyong mensahe. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawag suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik na umapaw ama ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!